as already told by my friend, theatre as a movement has withdrawn, and the machine-made entertainment has taken over. So much so that everybody thinks of the machine-made entertainment as theatre, and the actor who appears in those machine-made entertainment only as actors. Now, in that situation, there are some very brave people spread all over the country who are trying to hold the live theatre performance alive. This is a very, very brave thing to do. I mean, it is so difficult to do it because even inside theatre, वो सिनेमा तो छोड़िए, थिएटर के अंदर भी ऐसा हो गया है, हम काफ़ी लोग सिनेमा के इमिटेटर्स बन गए हैं. ऐसे सिचुएशन में टू run this sector and to keep performance alive is a very, very great thing, and I must congratulate both my friends who I'm meeting after such a long time for doing this. Now, this book that just got unveiled, this is a book which is my second book. My first book was called Indian Method in Acting, and it has reached the country in every corner. Actors read it because they feel it's a very simple book for contemporary actors. And the second book that I've written is called Acting and Beyond. Now, the first book, if it was teaching how to act, the second book tries to tell you why to act. पहले बुक में कैसे एक्टिंग करना है ये जिक्र है, दूसरे बुक में क्यों एक्टिंग करना है ये जिक्र है. मेरा मतलब है ये नए बुक में ये जो हम कहते हैं ना मोटिवेटेड एक्शन, ट्रूथफुल एक्शन, इसका मतलब क्या है, इसका समाज से संबंध क्या है, रिलेशनशिप क्या है, ये भी जिक्र है उसमें, अपार्ट फ्रॉम टीचिंग एक्टिंग. ये जो ट्रूथफुल एक्शन के बारे में मैं बहुत सरल ढंग से आपको बता दूं, हम सब डायलॉग बोलने लगे हैं, एक्टर्स नहीं, इवन पॉलिटिकल लीडर्स, even so-called modern many saints. But that dialogue has no support of action. When a dialogue is rendered without the support of truthful action, it becomes false. That is what we are seeing in the society. Every day in the newspapers, we hear politicians, we hear bureaucrats, we hear various social leaders talking and talking and talking, and people have got bored because they say that एक्शन ही नहीं किया, आप सिर्फ बोल रहे हैं, एक्शन कहाँ है. तुलसीदास ने जब कहा प्राण जाए पर वचन न जाए, तुलसीदास was saying पहले सांस ले लो, एक्शन करो, उसके बाद में बोलो. वो भी बहुत जरूरी है तो बोलो, नहीं तो मत बोलो. हम एक्टर्स को कहते हैं भैया पहले एक्शन करो, और वो एक्शन मोटिवेटेड एक्शन होना चाहिए. वो करने के बाद तुम डायलॉग बोलोगे, उसके ऊपर तुम डायलॉग रखोगे तो वो चमकेगा. क्यों चमकेगा? क्योंकि वो एक्शन के सपोर्ट के साथ पहुंच रहा है ऑडियंस को. थिएटर इज समथिंग which audience used to come to learn from the actor. And what were they trying to learn? Sabhyata. And what is Sabhyata? Sabhyata is that wherein, like a good actor, I remain civilized even when I am doing the role of Ravan. actor remains civilized even when the actor is doing the role of a rapist, a bad guy. So this dignity, this civilized thing is what is acting. When you see a good actor, you are not so much seeing the character. Of course you are seeing the character. Of course you are feeling the character. But you are also seeing the actor and saying, my God, look at this man, look at this woman. How graceful this person is. ये हाथ ऐसे उठाता है तो इतना अच्छा लगता है मुझे. मुझे भी लगता है मैं ऐसे हाथ चला दूं, मैं ऐसे बात बोलूं. See, that is the real beauty of acting. Of course, this beauty you see it in good actors in cinema also. I am not saying that cinema is bad. Many very, very good films are there. But this live communication between the audience and the actor, it can be truthful, and there you don't know whether it is truthful or not. Because there are so many things. There is camera, there is editing, there is this, and now of course the artificial intelligence. अब तो ऐसे हो गया है कि अमिताभ बच्चन भी नहीं चाहिए. अमिताभ बच्चन के फोटो या कुछ लेके पूरे फिल्म बनाएंगे जिसमें आपको लगता है अमिताभ बच्चन ने एक्टिंग किया है, मगर अमिताभ बच्चन है ही नहीं हुआ. ऐसा सिचुएशन में हम पहुंच रहे हैं. और ऐसे सिचुएशन में बहुत बड़ा खतरा है हमारे बच्चों के ऊपर. क्योंकि हम सबको मालूम है हमारे बच्चे मोबाइल में घुस गए हैं. 1 साल के बच्चा, 2 साल के बच्चा मोबाइल में घुस जाता है. एक बार घुसने के बाद माँ का, पिता का कोई कंट्रोल नहीं होता है कि मोबाइल इज मोबाइल. You don't know what game it is playing or what is it watching and how is it doing. And secondly, once you get into the mobile, you don't have to act. There is no action. मतलब एक्शन वहाँ हो रहा है, एक्शन वहाँ हो रहा है, बातें वहाँ हो रहा है, कुछ सब चीज़ें वहाँ हो रहा है, और मैं सिर्फ बेवकूफ़ जैसे बैठे देख रहा हूँ. ये है खतरा. It is not that films are bad. Some films are very good. It is not that the serials are bad. They're very good. Some actors are brilliant. After all, where have they gone from? They have gone from here. I have taught Irfan for a couple of years, and then I have directed him in plays, and he worked for many years. And then he went into cinema and he became various others, But the point is, if those same people were available here in Gurgaon, in Gorakhpur, in Dharwar, in Karnataka, just imagine how much of transition was possible in the society. Because the child actually needs to act. The child can only learn by committing mistake itself. So I want to address people sitting here as parents. Please do something for theatre in education. And I have decided, I've done a lot of theatre, I've done all my so-called art theatre, पर अब मुझे लग रहा है कि हम बच्चों के पास गए तो लोग फिर से नाटक में आएंगे. क्यों आएंगे? क्योंकि वो भी तरस रहे हैं कि उनके हरियाणवी गई, उनके हिंदी चली गई, उनके मराठी चली गई. So this is the actual situation in which this book that was unveiled is trying to go back to truthful action and teach the actor this, and also bring some confidence into the actor. See, today, not just actors, but everybody who works with their own hands और कौशल्य के साथ का हाथ का काम, द हैंडमेड करने वाले सब बेकार हो गए हैं. द बेस्ट कारीगर, द बेस्ट बुनकर, द बेस्ट पॉटर, द बेस्ट म्यूजिशियन, either they have to go to Bombay to become famous or they are nobody. Actor, either you go to Bombay or you are nobody. This is a bad situation. This is a very bad situation because it will have a terrible impact on the society. In this situation, I am very happy that you people are keeping this little space alive. The road noise, which was not there 20 years back, now it has increased. Now open air theatres have become impossible. Closed theatres are also becoming impossible because the weather is becoming so hot. In the midst of all that, let us do theatre, let us do live theatre, let us watch live theatre. क्यों चाहिए? You see, when you see live theatre, you have come to see the play. आप सहृदय होके यहाँ आते हैं, नाटक देखते हैं, और कल आप करते हैं और मैं देखता हूँ, एक कम्युनिटी फीलिंग जाग जाता है. Do you know that actresses feel very comfortable inside theatre? Because theatre is a very civilized place. You know, because an actor cannot misbehave with an actress. It is simply not possible because tomorrow that actress will not come to the rehearsal. So, contrary to public perception, please take this.
Ashutosh sir.
Contrary to public perception, young women perceive acting as a very civilized situation. Contrary to public perception, a lot of Dalits perceive acting as the place where they can actually start communicating. They want to communicate. They just don't want to get your reservation. They don't want to just get your 20 kilo rice and 2 kilos of this. No. They also want to become part of the society. They want to express themselves. Everybody want to express, they want to learn to communicate. You can't learn to communicate by just seeing reels. You have to actually perform, you have to actually commit mistakes, and then you will suddenly realize, yeah, I don't have the skill to talk on the stage. I can't stand on stage. I have, nervousness. So this is something which is very, very important for every human being, especially the small child. Please understand this. And regarding the young people who have assembled here, what I want to tell you is, go to Bombay if you want to go to Bombay. I have no objection. Try to get into cinema. I have no objection. But don't commit harakiri. Bombay operates like a lottery. लॉटरी लग गया तो स्टार बन गया, नहीं लग गया है तो the rest of the 10,000 people or 1 lakh people will be dumped in the Warsaw actors ghetto. I have lived there for 6 months to write this book because I realized that I am only talking theory. I don't know what the actor is going through. So I went there and actually took a small room in Warsaw where actors share, 3 people share one room. They all want to rehearse, they want to act, they want to practice. But where is the space? Where is the money? So what I want to tell the young people assembled here is that you go there, but go with an alternate option. वहाँ लग जाता है लॉटरी तो रहिए, आप भी बन जाइए मनोज वाजपेयी और whatever. नहीं लगता है So in Bombay, you get trained yourself as you are getting trained here in theatre in education or in other fields, and live a life. This is the very important thing that I want to say, apart from teaching acting. Of course, I can't do that this time here, but I'll definitely try and do it some other time, because it is such a lovely space. I'll come and spend time with actors in Gurgaon. Like for example, a friend has come today who is interested in knowing how the theatre skill can be used in with managers, because what do managers do?